Welcome back to Reef Cloud. Here we will walk through exporting your Reef Cloud data. Firstly, within the Reef Cloud data portal for your project, go to your project dashboard. Before exporting your data for use, you should be able to see that you have classified at least 15 to 30% of your data. The machine should have classified 100%. It is important that users watch the previous video AI model interpretation and make sure that the model is reliable before exporting data for use. When you are happy that the model you are relying on is working well, users can export data from two buttons on the top right of the dashboard, either as point-by-point data for each annotation or a summary of benthic cover within each image. An Excel file will be sent to your Reef Cloud user email address, which might take some time if your project is particularly large. Please check your spam or junk folders if it does not appear. The point summary file looks like this, where one line relates to one image. It includes general metadata, like site, depth, transect, and the total number of points annotated by the machine per image. Each heading represents global benthic categories within which labels are aggregated. Each number represents the percentage benthic cover for each category. Alternatively, if exporting point-specific data, the point classifications file will look like this, where each line relates to one human annotated point within the whole project. There is also general metadata, such as regional information, site information, survey IDs, dates, collection methods, depth, and image ID. There is point ID, relevant to the human and machine classifications, and point coordinates to identify where a point lies within an image. As you can see, this export file only includes 5 lines of point data per image, as we chose the 5-point grid option when creating this project. You can request to have a point classification file, which includes all machine annotations per image, as well as the human annotations. This is obviously a much larger file and will include 50 lines of data per image. In the future, we aim to have a filter option whereby users can filter for the data they would like to export. Thank you for using Reef Cloud.